Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, we are meeting for the very first time, so I'd like to know about you. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Aarti. I am from Uttarakhand. I
Um,
live in I live in Dehradhun. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have done MSc with chemistry subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like playing piano and driving car. That's it. All about me.
it's great. That's great. Very good to know about you. Okay, my name is Susmita. I belong to Assam, but currently I reside in the UP. My qualification, I have done master in education. Apart from, I'm married person, mother of one kid, and I run YouTube channel. That's all about me.
When you
Okay.
start this journey, then which type of difficulties you face?
On that time, I started to connect with the people. That time, I was not that much fluent or confident to talk with people. Sometimes word doesn't come in my mind or mouth. My eyes goes blank, right? This kind of it's happened. That is the basic thing. It's happened with each and everyone because this language is not our first language and we don't have environment to connect with the people. So that is the obvious things, and we have to manage anyhow by virtual, right? So that is why it's okay. How long have you been learning this language?
Only one month before I start learning this language. Little bit
Oh,
I know this language, but it's small sentences.
okay. What you do for learn this language now?
I see English conversation video and I follow Kanchan Kesari ma'am. I watch Kanchan Kesari ma'am all videos and Chandan sir and Varun sir, and I like many pages on Instagram. So from there I also learn many things, and sometimes I reading. That's but first that's enough.
Okay. Are you from English medium or Hindi medium?
I am Hindi medium student. You are English
Okay.
medium student?
I'm Assamese medium student because I have done my all education from Assamese medium. I belong to Assam. Yes. So that is the problem, we are not from English medium, so we have to do lots of struggle, extra effort we have to put to learn this
Yeah,
language.
no one around us to speak in English, so that's why this is main problem.
That is the main problem. We don't have environment, right, to connect with the people with whom we talk in our real life,
Yeah.
right? So
But
we can't we
nowadays
can't
we have
listen to
good
them.
application, very application to talk. We can talk in English. This is
Hmm.
very good
Yeah,
application.
yeah. Nowadays there are lots of opportunity open. We are fortunate enough that we have a YouTube and we have a smartphone, right? So we can get each and everything on our phone. So we feel lucky for that we have mobile or smartphone, then we can get easily each and everything on our hand.
Yeah. Nowadays, if we want to learn anything, so we can learn easily because of YouTube. Many things, many application here. So that's why little bit easy.
Yeah, little bit, not that much, very much easier it's become, right?
Yeah.
Earlier, if this kind of facility was happened, then maybe we were able to speak right now.
Yeah.
Mobile was there, but a network facility was not that much there that time,
Yeah.
right?
Hard work is necessary.
Yes, yes. Okay, would you like to discuss any topic or anything? Do you prefer to ask?
No, I am learner. I am not able to discuss any topic properly.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay, which kind of problem are you facing nowadays to learn this language?
Sometimes I am unable to make sentences structure. Sometimes I am not getting any word what to say. This type of problem I face.
Okay, how many call do you take every single day?
But I am not getting.
I'm asking you, how many person do you talk every single day?
Only one person. I just 3 days before I joined this application.
Before that, what were you doing? You were not talking with anyone?
No. I start from here because no one around me to whom I talk in English. That's why.
No, okay. Maybe you were not aware about the any other application like as Fluency, Joestock, right?
Yeah, I know about, but I am not joining that application. I joined this application.
Okay, that is the very good application. Everyone is very eager to learn and help to each other. So that is the very benefit, a beneficial application for learners, especially. Okay, which kind book do you read?
I read my own book, my subject book,
Okay,
science,
subject.
history, वगैरह. Because I'm
Huh.
preparing for exam, na government exam. That's why
Yes,
science,
yes.
politicals, these type of books I read.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, anything else would you like to know? Or I love to know about your area. How is your area? Because Uttarakhand is a so beautiful place, right? It's a holy
Yeah,
place, we can say.
Mount
So
Uttarakhand, mountainous place. Many tourists come here to see mountains. I live in mainly Dehradun, so Mussoorie is near to Dehradun. Mussoorie is very famous hill station. Many
yes.
tourists come there. Many
Hmm.
monks here, and Uttarakhand. Many temples are here. Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. So it's Uttarakhand is very beautiful state.
Very beautiful, really, really. It's so
Many
beautiful.
many tourists come to see Kedarnath temple, Badrinath temple, and Mussoorie. These are
Yeah.
beautiful places.
Dehradun also it is hilly place, right?
Yeah, near or Mussoorie is near to Dehradun. It is in
Uh,
Dehradun district.
yes, yes. This is the. I have been there once, Dehradun. I think Sahasradhara is there,
Yeah,
right?
waterfall.
I have been there. I have been once.
हाँ हाँ सहस्त्रधारा देहरादून.
Hmm. Yes, I have been once there with my cousin, and my cousins also live there.
Okay. Do you
Yeah,
like visiting places, new places? Do you like visiting new places?
yeah, I like to explore new places, especially before having baby. I used to like a lot to go everywhere to visit, right? After having baby, it's a little difficult. We have to think a lot before going everywhere, right? So, we have to take lots of things with us, like medicine, clothes, every kind of situation. It could happen with baby.
Hectic
So
time.
precaution is here. Yeah.
How,
So
how old are
before,
your baby? How
sorry.
old are your baby? How old are your baby?
Okay, he is about to 4 year now. Yeah. Before baby, I went there once. So after baby, I can't think to go everywhere to visit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I have been, sorry, Haridwar many times. Many times.
Near to Dehradun. Haridwar is also near to Dehradun.
Haridwar is near to Dehradun, and another is
Main,
Traiwala and Haripur Kala.
yeah. Raipur is main market of Dehradun.
Sorry?
Do you like Dehradun?
Yeah, I have visited once only. I don't have that much idea about the Dehradun, but yeah, this is the big city of Haridwar, right?
Yeah.
This is the capital of the Uttarakhand.
Yeah, Dehradun is the capital.
So I have been once. I don't have that much idea, but yeah, everyone says that this is there is a big city. We can get easily each and everything there.
Haridwar is also good. Here is many temples, Ganga River, all these things.
Yes, yes. In especially the Haripur Kala, isn't it? There are lots of temples, and near there is a Ganga Mata as
Yeah,
well, river as well.
yeah,
Right.
many temples.
Have you been there? Do you like
I
to visit temples?
but
Do you like visit temples?
yeah, I like visit temples. Mostly, I want to my dream South Indian because there is many temples South Indian. Here
Okay.
I want to visit there because there is very big temples, good temples. So I
Hmm.
want to go there.
Yeah, that is a Bharat Mata temple, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Madurai, lots of Rameshwaram, many type of temple there.
yes, really, it's very, very peace we get whenever we go to Haridwar and near whenever we see bank of the river, Ganga.
Mansa temple is also there.
Mansa, yeah, Mansa Devi and Chandi
Chandi
Devi.
Mata, yeah, yeah,
Yes, yes, really, it's very peaceful,
yeah.
right? Maybe you do not prefer to go any other place to live, to stay, right?
Yeah.
Every Uttarakhand people, say like this that I do not prefer to go any other place, even Delhi, Mumbai, big city also we do not prefer to go.
Environment is also good there because other city is very polluted, so there is not such type of problem.
Yes, pollution, it's
Yeah,
not that much there maybe.
yeah, pure air.
Yeah, yes,
Do
that's
you live
great.
with your in-laws?
No, I don't live with my laws because I live so far from my place with my husband. Basically, I belong to Assam, but currently I'm living in a UP due to my husband job. Okay, why are you learning this language? What is the reason behind it?
Because I want to join English medium school. Because I am MSc BEd, so I want you to join English medium. You know, nowadays all English medium school, first thing is English fluency is mandatory. So that's why
Yes.
first I want to command on by this language. Then I join any English medium school. So that's why
Okay, that's good.
I
Everywhere this is
English
mandatory.
speaking. Maybe I make many mistakes because 2 and 3 days before I join this application and I start English learning.
No problem, no problem. That is the part of our learning journey, right? Making mistake. So without making mistake, we can't be perfect directly, isn't it? So that is the part of our learning journey. Don't think about too much. Even I also make mistake while talking sometimes. It's happened.
How you start your English journey?
Sorry.
How you start your English journey? When you start your English learning practice?
It's been 1 year. It's been 1 year. It's completed. Yes. When I started to learn this language, I was not aware about the this application, Skype application. So I used to watch videos, or I used to talk by myself. And after that, I got to know about the S fluency. So I connected with the people through Skype application. Sorry, S fluency application. So I used for 1 month this, and later on I got to know about this application.
You join any English speaking course?
Yeah, I have joined once English CRE course. English CRE tutors. I have connected once for a 1 month.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
When you
What are
join
you doing?
Skype application?
Sorry?
When you join Skype application?
It's been I think 7, 8 months. It's completed.
Your English fluency is good.
Not that much, but yeah, I'm trying.
How you
Uh,
manage all thing? You are a YouTuber, I think, na?
yeah, I run
Then you are
YouTube.
YouTube channel
Yes, yes.
and house and you are mother of one kids. How you manage your whole day?
Yeah, that is the problem. Sometimes I'm not able to do everything, so I have to take break in between. That's how it's going on, but practice is mandatory, so somehow I'm managing to connect with the people, whether it's a video or audio. So that's how it's going on.
Nowadays you are in Delhi.
No, near Delhi, it's Ghaziabad.
Okay, guys.
Okay, have you joined any institute or school before that? Do you have
Teaching
any experience?
experience.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I have 1 year experience.
Okay, is it before marriage or after marriage?
After marriage, 2 year ago.
Okay, okay.
Quit my job because I am preparing for government exam. That's why.
Uh-huh.
That
Okay.
government exam qualification is very tough. Now again I want to know, join any English medium school. Maximum English medium school want to English fluency, so that's why I decided learn this language.
Yeah, definitely. This language is too much mandatory nowadays, right? To do anything, not only about the to being a teacher, everywhere, corporate sector, if you do want to do job, everywhere it's mandatory nowadays.
Do you do any job?
Currently I don't do any job. Before marriage, I used to do job as a teacher.
Okay.
So nowadays I don't do anything
Because of baby.
because of baby. Yes,
Okay.
he came here and he turned off the light.
Yeah, I'm
See,
naughty.
beta. Okay, then he got up now. He will do. He will definitely do mischievous. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, nice to
Okay,
talk
bye.
with you,
Have a
and thank
good day.
you to give me opportunity to talk with you. Thank you very much
It's
because
my
I'm a
pleasure.
beginner.
Okay, bye. Have a good day.
Bye.